Hi, Mrs. Shigeru.
Hi, Mrs. Sexton.
What are you doing today?
I am trying to figure out these math problems.
Oh, tell me about it.
Well, it says that you're going to go buy chocolate.
Yeah, I
No.
love chocolate.
It's really good. It's making me want some. It says that Mrs. Sexton is buying chocolate, so you're going to get some chocolate. It says you need 24 chocolates. But one box of 4 chocolates costs $5. How much are you going to spend on chocolate?
Well, let's see. Well, I need 24 chocolates because there's a lot of people in my family. And at Christmas time, I've decided I'm going to buy all of us some chocolate. So I'm at the store. Here I am because remember, first in a word problem, we want to see what we're doing. So here I am. Oops.
Oh, you look so cute.
Yeah, I'm at the store and I'm so excited because I see there are these boxes of chocolates and they come in packs of how many?
4.
4. And the store says that this box of 4 chocolates costs $5 and I think, ooh, I want to get those for my family, but I'm going to need 24 chocolates. So I need to figure out how many boxes of chocolate to grab. How do you think I can do that?
I like to draw pictures.
That's a good idea. So let's see. We already have 1 box of chocolate with 4 in it. There's 2 boxes of chocolate. That's
So it's
8.
another $5.
Another $5.
Don't forget to put the money on there. I've got to keep track.
Yeah. So there's $4 chocolates, 8 chocolates. I've got to need more. Here's 4 more chocolates. That's 4, 8, 12 chocolates. Still $5. Yep. Okay, I don't have enough yet. Ooh, but I noticed that I have 12, Mrs. Shigeru.
Ooh.
And so I think I'm getting a little closer.
Yeah. Isn't it 12 like half of 24?
It is, so I think I'm halfway there. So I have 4, 8, 12, 16 chocolates, 20 chocolates, and 21, 22, 23, and 24. I have just figured out that I need to buy
6
boxes of chocolates.
And they're $5 a piece.
And they're $5 a piece. I think we can count by 5s. So I'm going to spend 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, $30. Another way I could do that is by saying 6 boxes of chocolate times $5 a piece gives me $30. So Mrs. Sexton is going to spend.
You've remembered the sentence. Look at that.
Mrs. I don't know how to spell my name. But Mrs.
You're just thinking about that chocolate.
Spent $30 on chocolates. That's a lot of money.
This must be fancy chocolates,
I
Mrs.
think
Sexton.
it is. I like fancy chocolates, though. So I think
Tastes
they're
better.
worth it. All right. So, scholars, that's how to do this tricky math problem. That's on your homework. It's going to be on your test tomorrow, too.
Yep.
But on your test, very sadly, the problem's not going to be about chocolates. It's going to be about batteries. So there's packs of batteries on your test. But remember, drawing a picture is a great strategy to use for this one.
I concur.
Should we give them a challenge?
I think we should.
All right, let's do it.
All right, scholars, here's the challenge problem for you. Mrs. Shigeru, that's me, needs to buy 32 cupcakes. Oh boy. A box of 8 cupcakes costs $3. How much does Mrs. Shigeru, that's me, gonna spend?
All right, scholars, do this problem tonight to practice studying for your test. We hope that you are having lots of fun studying tonight.
So much fun.
Yep, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Get a good night's rest. Eat a healthy breakfast. Those things help your brain work great.
Not cupcakes, though.
No, not cupcakes, but they're so good.
Yes, so good.
All right, have a great night.
All right, bye.